What's going on, guys? Isaiah here. We are going to show you what's going on in the shop here in Latrobe and so on, starting with this Civic Type R 23. We did a track package for it in our paint. Looking great. We have Steve here just doing final touch-ups, and then we'll be able to get it back to the customer. And then we're going to just continue on going this way here. We have this beautiful Volvo. We just tinted the front windows to match the rear section and give it that nice uniformity. That's done, ready to go home. And proceeding forward, we have a Model Y Tesla. Came here just for the full front. We're actually doing it in our 10 mil option, which is going to be the thickest option that we provide moving forward. We have our friend Jeff's Jetta here. We're going to be doing just a visor on it, and then once that's done, we'll give it back to him. Got this awesome AT4 here, and I didn't realize this initially, but there's actually some metallic flake in this color. Super beautiful. We did some random paint protection film pieces on here, like the front bumper and just little miscellaneous areas for the customer, and they're just needing to do their final touch-ups on it. And we also tinted the front windows. While we're out here, we have one last thing that we'll be doing. Have this white Grand Cherokee here that's next up in the ceramic coating process. We're gonna be doing our premium 8-year coating to that. She's gonna clean up really nicely. Gonna need your sunglasses to look at it in the sun next time it's done. Repco here working on this 2000 Boxster. We're doing an annual checkup for it. Seems to be performing pretty well, just from what I can see with the water beating here. And alrighty, and here we have a 2017 Harley-Davidson Tri-Glide. Super cool project. This is actually an annual checkup for coating we did pretty much back in 2017. Vehicle only has about 1,500 miles on it. Super low. Everything's performing great. Glad we can get this taken care of for him. Alrighty, so we have T here working hard. Tint as usual. He's doing the fronts on this 23 Tundra. Gonna match him to the rest of the vehicle. Gonna keep going on. We got a red C8 here, torch red. We are doing a ceramic coating to this. Cleaning it up. I think it's in its final stages here for the process. And then once that's done, we'll be able to call the customer, get it back to them. But that's not the only car that we're doing a ceramic coating to. Turn yourself around. We got this Scat Pack Charger here. We did the windows on Monday, and then we are doing the coating for this as well. And that's going to be cleaning up really nice. It's a deeper red than I thought Dodgers came in, so I learned something here. We're doing more PPF here. We have this awesome forest green 993 Porsche that we are doing the paint protection to for the full front, just giving that classic car some protection there. And behind you, we have another Porsche 911, and we're doing a full paint protection film wrap on there in 10 mil. I'll be doing a ceramic coating as well as tint. But the cool thing for me this week is right behind you. It's gonna be this Raptor R F-150. This truck is super cool. We're gonna be doing a track package for this, ceramic coating, and we'll be tinting the fronts to match everything. We're in the process. This is gonna clean up really well, and we'll be getting things taken care of here. That's all I got going on for here in Latrobe. Luke, what do you have going on over in Gibsonia?
What's going on, guys? Welcome to Gibsonia. We got a ton of cool stuff going on this week. Let's check it out. First up, we have one of our full wraps of the week. This one is a Porsche GT4 RS. This was initially on the books for its standard 8 mil track package, but upon discussing further, he decided to go with the extra protection with our 10 mil full wrap. So every panel of this vehicle is going to be protected in our 10 mil paint protection film. The front of the vehicle is currently done, and Austin is working on the back half as we speak. Over here we have a 2023 Toyota Tundra. This one is in for our track package. So from the body line on the bottom of the door down, along with the entire front of the vehicle, will be protected in Ultimate Plus paint protection film. We are also tinting all of the side windows and the back window in our XR Plus window tint. Up on the lift is this 2024 Porsche Cayman. This one is also getting our track package. So the entire front of the vehicle and the rocker panels that has these wide hips, as all Porsches do. So it's getting our 8 mil paint protection film. We are also going to be tinting all of the side windows, the back window, and the full windshield in our XPEL Prime XR Plus window tint. In the tint bay, we have a 2019 Ram. This is getting all of the side windows and the back window tinted in our Prime CS 5% tint. We're also doing a windshield visor, also in 5%. Next up is this 2023 BMW M4. This is getting our track package. 8 mil Ultimate Plus paint protection film, along with the side windows and the back window tinted in our Prime XR window tint. And over here we have Bart doing his thing on this new Tesla Model Y. This one was in the shop earlier in the week for some paint protection film on the entire front, the entire doors, and behind the back wheel. We also tinted the 2 front windows 20% to match the factory tint. Now we're cleaning up all the overspray from the PPF guys, polishing out all the exposed paint, and coating the entire vehicle. Over here is the completed ceramic coating. This one, a 2023 BMW X3. Pretty cool story on this one. This is a brand new vehicle that the owner was surprising his son with. So they're gonna pick this up tomorrow with a bow on it, now that it's all shined up and protected with Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Next in line for a ceramic coating is this Nissan Ariya. So this is the new Nissan EV. The inside is very, very techy for a Nissan. It's actually a pretty cool vehicle. So we're gonna be polishing out all the paint and putting our 8-year ceramic coating on the entire vehicle. That's all for Gibsonia. Let's see what Nate's up to down in Miami.
What's up guys, this is Nate from Blackout Tinting Miami. Let's check out what we got in the shop this week.
Outside, we have this 2023 Ford Mustang Mach-E. We got some PPF on the hood, some of the partial front bumper and the mirror caps, as well as the headlights. Here in the tint bay, we have a 2023 70th anniversary Z06. I know you guys seen this for the past couple weeks. It's gonna be going home this Sunday with a full wrap, ceramic coating, and some window tint. Here in the PPF bay, we have a 2023 Tesla Model X in the new ultra red color, beginning full front clip PPF, a ceramic coating, as well as XR ceramic tint on those 2 front doors. Here in the PPF bay, we have a 2023 Porsche Taycan 4S, beginning a full 10mm full front clip, as well as 8mm on the rest of the vehicle, doing a Fusion Plus ceramic coating, as well as XR ceramic tint on the 4 doors.
That's all we got going in the shop this week. If you like what you saw, make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Let us know how we're doing.